Are you having a website or a blog post and you intend on monetizing that? This platform right here called HilltopAds actually claims to do that for you right here. As with this platform, you could monetize your website and blog post and earn a lot of money online. And I'm going to walk you through how to do just that with this particular platform called HilltopAds. I'm also going to show you what this platform actually entails, the capabilities of this platform, and do stick on with me as we dive right into this video. But before we do that, guys, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on cool ways to make money online, and you can see right now that there are a lot of content for you right now and a lot of cool strategies to make money online on the channel. So you can actually go on to subscribing to the channel and turning on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online. And furthermore, guys, you can check out the first link in the description of this video to actually gain access to an amazing course right now. And this course is absolutely for people interested in making money online with YouTube, as the course will enable you set up a 3-hour YouTube work plan for fast tracking your channel growth and revenue, as you can make up to $2,000 to $3,000 every month right now. As you can see right here that the course is actually available for $49 today, and this will actually last till the 1st of April 2024, of which this particular giveaway price actually lasts, after which you're going to be purchasing the course for a sum of $199 right there. As you can see, you can go on to purchasing this today and save up to $150 right now. So why not just simply try that out? Click on buy now and register for this course, and you can keep on scrolling through. You'll be able to see much more details about the course, the capabilities of this course, the earning revenue on YouTube, digital product sales, and also affiliate product sales that you'll be able to make. And you could also keep on scrolling through, check out this cool and amazing video proof right now that shows you much more details about the earnings capabilities of this particular and cool and amazing course right now. So as not to waste much of our time, utilize the first link in the description of the video to gain access to this page and see much more details about this course. So diving right back into the video of today, like I told you guys, this platform right here called HilltopAds is an amazing platform that claims to actually monetize your website and traffic or blog post right now. As you can see on the home page, they claim to actually be the platform that you can make big money from your website, as you can monetize your website traffic with the best converting offers and get high eCPMs. Now you can either sign up as a publisher or as an advertiser utilizing this platform. Now the publishers are actually people looking for advertisers to go on to monetizing their own website or blog post. Now you having a website or blog post and are looking for a way to monetize that, you just need to sign up as a publisher and go on to monetizing that in this particular section. Now for people interested in looking for ways to drive traffic to a specific link utilizing any website or blog post, they just need to sign up as an advertiser right now. So publishers are actually in collaboration with advertisers to make money with their websites and blog posts. Now scrolling on through this page, you can actually see much more details and features of this particular platform called the HilltopAds right here. As you can see, they do get traffic from direct publishers, they get advanced targeting, no block impression, real-time detailed statistics, and you can actually see much more details of the platform right now. And guys, right here you can see more details of each account right now if you are signing up either as an advertiser or as a publisher. If you're signing up as a publisher and you intend on monetizing your website, the platform claims to monetize up to 30% more efficiently than previously right now, and you can also get paid weekly via Bitcoin, ePay service, Paxum, PayPal, USDT, web money, or wire transfer. And they also claim to monetize your web and mobile traffic also, and all niches are also welcome. And this is only suitable for clean ads right now. Only clean ads will actually be on your website right there. So for people actually scared of monetizing their platforms or their websites or blog posts, or scared of actually seeing ads like erotic ads or unclean ads right there, this platform is absolutely available for you and suitable for you right now. And you can also take note that for people signing up as an advertiser to advertise their brand, they could actually get high quality unique traffic covering all the GEOs. They could get deeper targeting than in other networks. They could actually get their own ad ad server and RTB solution, and all traffic are actually scanned and verified right here. So going on further, guys, we may actually need to understand much more details about the ad format on the platform. If you do come onto this section, click on ad format, we will be brought to this page, and you can see HilltopAds constantly updates its ad format inventory while following the new trends in digital advertising, and that's absolutely amazing. You can also see that they offer several high converting advertising units that comply with the latest better ads policy and act as a perfect AdSense alternative right now. Now you can see, guys, that the platform actually has some cool ad formats such as the push notification, video ads, pops, direct links, and display banners. So scrolling on through, you can actually do see much more details of each ad format right now, such as the push notifications, the video ads, the pops such as the pop under or pop-up ads. You can also see direct links right now and display banners right here. So you can see much more details of each ad via this particular page. Now if you want to just simply sign up for the account, you can sign up right here, because a sign up option will be available to you in this section. Because I'm logged into my account, that's why that option is not available right now. Now if you do sign up right here or click on the sign up option, you can see that you could either sign up as an advertiser or as a publisher. Now for you intending on monetizing your website or blog post, you just need to sign up as an advertiser. Go on to filling out all these other details such as your name, website, and password. Now you can see that this is actually not available for people who intend to create multiple accounts right here. As you can see, the use of multiple accounts for a single user is prohibited on the platform, and you could just simply agree to the terms of service, of which you can go on to reading via clicking on this terms of service icon or terms and condition icon, then sign up for your account right now. Now once you actually do sign up, guys, and you do log into your account, you will be brought to this particular page where you may actually need to go on to updating your payment details. Now once you do that, guys, you want to just simply come onto this section and actually go on to adding your first site to start making money today. Now click on add site, go on to add in your website or your blog post link right now to this section, and you can actually do select the category if it's a mainstream or a non-mainstream, and go on to adding the site to this particular platform and go on to monetizing that. So that's absolutely how easy it is to monetize your website right here, and you can just simply go on to checking out much more details later on, such as the statistics of this particular or your particular account right here, and you can see much more details right there. So that's how cool this actually is, and I do hope this video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online, as I regularly post videos each and every single day on cool ways to make money online. Now you could also don't forget to check out the first link in the description of the video to gain access to this amazing course to enable you go on to earning up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month with YouTube right now. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.